Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hive project management for team execution, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hive project management website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Click on the Create New Project button to start setting up your first project. Enter a clear and concise name for your project in the provided field. Choose a project template that fits your needs, such as Agile, Kanban, or Waterfall. Set the project start and end dates to establish a timeline. You can invite team members by entering their email addresses in the invite section. Assign roles to each team member to define their responsibilities. Once your team is set, click on the Create button to launch the project. Next, navigate to the project dashboard to start adding tasks. Click on the Add Task button to create your first task. Provide a title and description for the task, ensuring it is specific and actionable. Assign the task to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down menu. Set a due date to establish a deadline for task completion. You can add subtasks if the task requires multiple steps. Click on Save to add the task to your project. Continue adding tasks until all necessary activities are captured. As tasks are created, prioritize them by dragging and dropping them in the correct order. Utilize tags and labels to categorize tasks for easier tracking. Regularly update task statuses as work progresses, changing from to-do to in progress or completed. Encourage team members to leave. You can also attach relevant files to tasks for better context and collaboration. To monitor overall project progress, use the Gantt chart view or Kanban board provided in Hive. Set regular check-ins or meetings to discuss project updates and any challenges. Utilize Hive's reporting features to analyze team performance and identify areas for improvement. Make adjustments to the project plan as necessary based on team feedback and project dynamics. Finally, celebrate milestones achieved by the team to keep morale high. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.